And then we'll put the lawnmowers, the stock lawnmowers, mod mowers, and then the clones will be last.
Good afternoon, racing fans, and welcome to the Saco Pathfinders Lawnmower and Go-Kart Racing Cup Series, brought to you by the Saco Pathfinders Snowmobile Club. I'm the voice of the Saco Pathfinders Lawnmower and Go-Kart Racing Cup Series. On the back of my amp it says the mouth. Okay? They call me the mouth. We have the go-karts, we have different age groups. We have, we got the animal clone, we got the flathead, the junior cage karts, senior cage karts. We have the stock mowers, the modified mowers. Stock ones are single cylinders, okay? The modifieds are twin cylinders, okay, which is more horsepower. And the thing with it is, what they do is they change the belt size on the transmissions and on the motors. That's how they get the speeds, okay?
It's good, cheap fun. A lot cheaper than a race car. Do it on a budget, and it's just fun to make something go fast that isn't supposed to.
I think it's the old style racing, like Maine is known for the dirt tracks and stuff. I mean, Beechridge started out as a dirt track. They started out with old coupes and they didn't have NASCAR parts. When somebody bent a spindle, they had to build it themselves, not buy it at the store. So I think this is kind of like that. Like I said, Norm and the other guys here, we hand build these from scratch, so it's sort of like the old style Maine racing.
Thank you, Liz! From anybody want that?
Thank you.
Yeah, this is my family. I want to thank Fred for inviting me.
Yeah. Let me race, John. You try this one out. Yeah, you couldn't keep up with me.